Send-off prayer. DOH Massage Licensure Examinations, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, December 6, 2015. Dear God, may you grant all the examinees tomorrow, both AUSA and non-AUSA, both sighted and the blind, with the peace of mind, the calmness of the soul, and the sharpness of the intellect, so as they will be able to give their best and bring glory to your name. Amen. Panginoon, hayaan mo ng lahat ng mga mag-examine bukas, maging AUSA o hindi AUSA, maging may kapansanan o wala sa paningin, na ang kapayapaan ng puso, kapanatagan ng kaluluwa at talas ng kaisipan upang maibigay nila ang kanilang buong husay para sa dakila mong pangalan. Amen.